ಓಕೆ, ಕೆಲವು ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಗಳ ವಿಲೀನ ಪ್ರಕ್ರಿಯೆ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾಹಿತಿಯನ್ನ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಆಂಧ್ರ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಮತ್ತು ಕಾರ್ಪೊರೇಷನ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಗಳು ವಿಲೀನವಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮಾಹಿತಿ. ಆಂಧ್ರ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಕೂಡ ವಿಲೀನವಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ನಮಗೆ ಲಭ್ಯವಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಅದರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಕೆನರಾ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅನ್ನ ವಿಲೀನಗೊಳಿಸಲಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಕೆಲವು ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಗಳನ್ನ ವಿಲೀನಗೊಳಿಸುವ ಪ್ರಕ್ರಿಯೆಗೆ ಚಾಲನೆ ದೊರೆತಿದೆ. ಈ ಹಿಂದೆ ಕೂಡ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೈಸೂರನ್ನ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಜೊತೆನಲ್ಲಿ ಮರ್ಜ್ ಮಾಡಲಾಗಿತ್ತು, ವಿಜಯ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮರ್ಜ್ ಮಾಡಲಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಕೂಡ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಕೆಲವು ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಗಳ ವಿಲೀನಕ್ಕೆ RBI ಮತ್ತು ಕೇಂದ್ರ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಚಿಂತನೆಯನ್ನು ನಡೆಸಿ ಯಾವ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅನ್ನ ವಿಲೀನಗೊಳಿಸಬೇಕು ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಈಗ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಲಭ್ಯವಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಕೆನರಾ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಜೊತೆ ಸಿಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅನ್ನ ವಿಲೀನಗೊಳಿಸತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪ್ರಕ್ರಿಯೆ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನು ಮುಂದೆ. ಇದರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಆಂಧ್ರ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಮತ್ತು ಕಾರ್ಪೊರೇಷನ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಗಳು ವಿಲೀನವಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆಂಧ್ರ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಕೂಡ ವಿಲೀನವಾಗುತ್ತೆ.
The large capacity of one bank, the technology-driven capacity of another, and the strong deposit franchise the third has are all being brought together. So Punjab National Bank, Oriental Bank of Commerce and United Bank will be brought together, and they shall form the second largest public sector bank with business of 17.95 lakh crores, which is at least approximately 1.5 times that of Punjab National Bank. So that will be the first one that we're talking about. The second largest branch network that is available in India will be of theirs, with 11,437 branches. So the first one that we are announcing is Punjab National Bank, Oriental Bank of Commerce and United Bank. Three together. What will this give us? A high CASA and lending capacity combined in consolidated bank. Large cost reduction potential due to network overlaps. Cost saving and income opportunities for the joint ventures and subsidiaries. Most important, the point that I said earlier, we have taken clear care that the platform that they use are compatible. In merging or in bringing together the three banks that we brought down here, we made sure that the technology which is used in this Bank 1, Bank 2 and Bank 3 are compatible, and all the three banks can enable a quick realization of gains without customer disruption, without any disruption to the service that they have to lend. We go to this most important table. The indicators that I would draw your attention to are the CET1 ratio, the CRAR, which is the capital reserve ratio, and also to the net NPA ratio, the three above the category of employees, which is very important for you to notice. And all the three are very critical indicators to tell you that this consolidation in this particular case is absolutely healthy. And we've kept all the Basel norms, RBI's guidelines and the Basel norms in mind, even as we have put these numbers together for you. If you have any questions, we'll be able to answer it later. I don't want to labor on each one of them, but I want to completely give you the confidence that we've applied our mind on the Reserve Bank of India guidelines and also on the Basel norms, which will have to tell us what these numbers ideally should be. We've kept that in mind. I can go further to explain that a bit later. Should we now move to the second? The second which we are consolidating are both banks coming from the south. Canara Bank with Syndicate Bank. They will be the fourth largest PSB with business of 15.20 lakh crores, which means approximately 1.5 times more than the current size of the Canara Bank itself. Third largest branch network in India, they will hold, with 10,342 branches. Large cost reduction potential exists due to the network overlaps. Similar culture to enable smooth consolidation because they come from the same region. Cost saving and income opportunities for JVs and subsidiaries, and therefore immediate, without disruption, continuation of service for all customers, Again, mind application on the point that they both come under similar compatible financial technology that they use, so both are able to quickly realize the gains. Now the indicators which you will be interested in, again something which I would want your attention to be drawn on: set 1 ratio, net NPA ratio, and also the capital requirement, adequacy requirement ratio, all of which are given here and absolutely tick marked from the point of view of Basel norms and also from Reserve Bank of India guidelines. All three meet more than the ideal situation. We go over to the third one, Union Bank of India with Andhra Bank and Corporation Bank. This shall now become the 5th largest public sector bank with business of 14.59 lakh crores, approximately 2 times the size of Union Bank of India. 4th largest bank in terms of network of branches with about 9,609 branches. And their business will now become twice to about 4.5 times existing bank business. Large cost reduction is possible because of, again, network overlaps, which we can rationalize, cost saving and income opportunities for JVs and subsidiaries again. Again, consideration was given for the kind of technologies that they use, are they compatible and so on. Yes, all the three and their technologies are absolutely compatible, and therefore we don't see any disruption in terms of client services. Indicators, the three which I constantly refer to: set 1 ratio, the capital adequacy ratio, and also the net NPA ratio. In this case, of the three, definitely 2 are more than the ideal. The third one, which is closer to the ideal, will get closer once the consolidation happens, and we shall give special attention even to that. So that explains the third that we've done. Fourth one is important: Indian Bank with Allahabad Bank. This will become the 7th largest public sector bank with business of about 8.08 lakh crores, which is approximately 1.9 times Indian Bank size. Nationwide presence with strong networks both in the south and in the north and also in the east. So you get a wonderful coverage of all the three areas. The doubling of business size, major scaling up of reach due to complementary networks, high CASA and lending capacity in consolidated bank. Again, the same CBS platforms between the two, and therefore we expect to have a quick realization of the gains after consolidation. The indicators, very clearly, all three are very clearly above board, very much above the ideal that we have. So it's worth noting that the strength is only getting consolidated of these two banks. So with all this said, we have very clearly explained what are the things that we're doing towards bank and consolidation.